Dear Roy, next I send a video of my daily activities. First, to start 6 o'clock in the morning, I get up to take a bath. Then I get dressed at 15 past 6. At 40 to 7, I have my breakfast. After 7 o'clock, I leave for a walk. Last, I arrive at work at 7:50 in the morning. At 3 past 8, I start to work. At 10 o'clock in the morning, I take a break. At noon, I have lunch with my friends. Again, at 3:15, I take a coffee break. At 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I finish my work and I leave for the university. She arrived at the university at 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I study between 6 to 9. Last, at 9 o'clock in the evening, I go to my home. I arrive at my house in the evening at 9:45. At 10 o'clock, I have my dinner with my cousin. Finally, at 11 I go to sleep. Bye.